Hey guys, what's up? It's been a long time since we've got you guys.
Get this off.
Oh,
Pull it off. Pull it off.
It's, keep tension, guys. Fried Chicken 13's on one right now. It's been a while since we've been at Santa Ana. Yeah, don't fight it. Don't fight it. Let's do his thing. Yeah. Oh, we got one. Let's do his thing.
Fine too.
Let it take track. Oh, it's a jumper. That's a jumper. Guys, we got a jumper. Only tension, no slack. No slack. Guys, we stayed here overnight. We froze our butts off for this one little fish. We cannot afford to lose it. Tension, as much as possible, just a little tension. Tension. Keep going, keep reeling. Reel. Tire him out.
He's moving, bro.
It's okay, bring him close. Close. Keep coming. If he's fighting, let him fight.
Right there.
Okay, he's gonna run again if he sees me. He's gonna run again once he sees me. He's gonna run again. Come towards me. He's gonna run again. Okay, pull. He's gonna... Wait. Come my mate. Go behind me. Okay, come. Oh, shit. In the net, boy.
Come on, man.
That's a big boy right here. It's a big boy. That's a big boy. Good job, man.
Oh yeah.
Good job. Hey, let's get you guys.
Oh, this is yours.
It's okay. All right, guys. It's been a long time since we caught fish. You don't know how happy we are. We stayed here overnight at Santa Ana River Lakes. We froze our butts off, and it was all worth it because of this beauty right here. Look at that. Here, I'll give you guys a better shot after we take it off its hook. All right. Well, guys, we managed to land that one. We're still waiting. It's been slow. Honestly, it's been really slow. Nothing yet. Just enjoying the water.